Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna be say gay.
Okay. Kwengenau. I gente Kamryn, I gente Kwakwe, ni nonje, anlapewi lokawi, ni lapekwe. Hello, my name is Kamryn. Is also a Turtle Woman. I'm from Delaware Nation. I'm a Delaware woman. Okay. So me and my sis Marge are doing a vlog of seafood, res style. Okay, so what I did was I bought. Hold on, I gotta take it out of the garbage. Okay, so you guys didn't see me garbage pick, so technically I'm not a garbage picker. So we bought the Sequest 36 to 45 pound Pacific white shrimp. So it's peeled and then has a tail on, whatever. You got the gist. Okay, so I just had to unthaw it, and then I put it in to broil in the oven for a little bit, and I put like a paprika. I don't think I should have did that, but I did it. And then I put salt and pepper and a little bit of oil on that, so superb. And then I bought this no-name President's Choice mild seafood sauce. I don't really like the smell of it, so we'll see how it goes. And then I do butter. I do butter with all my seafood. Like, I love lobster tails, so
Maybe we should be a little less res and get a container for that sauce.
what's redder than that? Okay, wait, I'll get a container for this because Margaret wants to be less red. I don't have another container.
Just a little bit.
I don't have another container to wash, so we'll have to use one of my bowls. Look, this is bougie bowl, okay? And the res, that's a bougie bowl.
Preach.
Okay, wait. Oh, wow.
No butter containers are here.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so I've never tried shrimp before, so we'll see how that goes. You want to set it up so you don't hold it?
See how that goes. Maybe put the donut thing on here.
Oh yeah, this is okay. So wait, show them the donut stand.
This is our res ass stand.
Yeah, it's called the donut stand.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, so yeah, it's good. Can you see me?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put one more thing under there, so like it's like a little bit higher. You can see your head. Your head's in there. Shh. They don't know.
Yo, and give us money to our GoFundMe so we can get a tripod and some lighting up in here.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, you're up.
Okay, I love seafood. I don't know if I love shrimp, but creators.
You have to pep talk yourself. Okay.
Because I cook this, so like.
Okay, take a bite of it by itself. Let's see how you do. Or dip it in butter or something.
Okay, creator, please be good to me today. I know you weren't good to me yesterday, but. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That's that shit right there.
Okay.
That's that shit right there.
Good shit? Okay. Okay, move on to the sauce. I might just try butter. I'm a little bitch. I'm a little scared out here.
Are we swearing on our vlogs?
I just did. We'll bleep it out if we decide not to.
Wait. I don't know how good the editing's gonna be, so like, we apologize in advance if we can't bleep it out. Okay, now I'm on to the sauce. Ooh, I don't know if I can do the sauce. It fucking smells, man.
Just give it a shot.
Okay. No, I just like.
You're psyching yourself out. Just do
because
it.
it says. Does it say horseradish?
Yeah, salt.
Like, what is that? Horseradish. What is
It's
that?
what is that?
Oh, I can't wait to put in like the videos, like the memes, like. What is that? Okay.
Just do it one time. You already know you like shrimp.
No. I don't know.
Took that one time. Let me go like this.
Ooh. That don't taste good, but.
Maybe the sauce is what I didn't like about it when I tried it the first time.
Yeah, because like, I love lobster tails. You know how much I love lobster tails? So much. Like, I don't even care, like, I'll eat them fucking raw. I don't care. But when I go to the restaurants and they cook them, like, they don't really season them that much, but, like, it's still really good, like, with the butter.
Yeah.
Like, the butter, like, kind of takes away, like, the seafoody.
Seafoody taste.
Yeah. And, like...
You got all those fats up in there?
Bro, when I tasted this,
nervous.
it tasted like a lobster tail. And I'm like...
Found your new love?
Like, not really a lobster tail, but, like, I guess it's just...
Like a knockoff?
Yeah.
The res version of a lobster tail?
So today we'll be eating the res version.
Can't afford lobster tails.
We're broke students out here. You need to support us.
Okay, I'm sorry, I'm a little nervous.
Oh my god, never mind. I just remember.
What? I don't want to put the whole thing in my mouth.
No.
Okay. I thought maybe my taste buds have grown, but no.
No. I got baby taste buds and I don't know why. Like, I like this stuff.
I don't fuck with that. I know! Doesn't like ketchup. Fucking eats lobster tails though. Yeah. No. You know what? I'm glad you like it though.
You know what? It was
So
not
matters.
a waste of like $4 or $5. So I don't know what that is though. Hey, get
Fuck
that
that
shit out of
shit.
here. Get that shit out of here.
Making a mess a little bit.
What?
Just a wee bit.
What's a challenge we can do for our viewers? Who do you think are gonna be our like top viewers?
All of our family.
Yeah. I feel like we got like secret admirers.
You think?
They'll be in hidden.
Hidden.
Anyways, what's a game that we could play? Well,
While you eat it. I don't know. I really just want to play with it if I'm honest. Like, these
girl,
tails. I'm not
touch
gonna
this one or touch that
touch
one.
this one. Why? Which one? Oh, all the paprika.
Yeah, I put too much paprika on some of them, so I don't want to touch those.
It's just the texture. Everything kind of turns me off if I'm honest.
I don't. No.
I'm gonna ask this later off of camera.
Yeah. Don't be spreading that shit on the internet.
It's about something that you threw out. I just have a question.
I don't even know what to tell the camera because this is like, it's res. So I should, but I shouldn't.
It's res.
No. Alright.
How many shrimp can Kamryn put in her mouth at one time?
I'll throw up. Bitch. I don't like this stuff as much as I like lobster tail, so I could like devour that shit, but like this, I'm like slowly.
Yeah.
I was like,
Goddamn.
it's good, but it's not that good. You know?
Yeah. Not as good as lobster tail.
In fact, I need a drink because it's making me really dry.
Some good old Pepsi.
Oh my god, should I? I should. It's gonna look like Bebsy in the camera. Oh my god.
Should I? Fuck yeah, you should. We gonna throw this little guy out.
Oh my god, my
Sad
family's
guy.
my family's gonna watch this and they're gonna be like, since when did Margaret swear?
God.
So today we have I'm an influencer now, so that's what I do when I show the camera stuff. Just like, today we have some Bevsy for the soul, the res soul. It's a little bit warm. I prefer it cold, so you know. Oh yeah. Okay, let me do a review. Oh my god, sorry, excuse me. My grandma's gonna be like, how she doing on camera for?
I taught her better than that.
Beat me when I get home. I'm supposed to be a lady. Just kidding. Okay. So let me do a review. So President's Choice mild seafood sauce. Do not recommend. I have baby taste buds, so do you recommend it? Do you like the smell of it?
The smell? I don't fuck with the smell.
Do you like the sauce though? Okay, so
Honestly,
we're gonna do a rating.
It's a no for me.
We're gonna do rating. So rating on the President's Choice mild seafood sauce. 0.
Damn. Just straight up 0. Well, I'll be nice. I'll give it a 2.
All right. Rating on the bed. Just kidding.
11 out of 10.
And then we have the seafoody mukbang, the shrimp, which I got for $5. So it's, you know, good for being what it is. You know, res. It's a 10 on the res. But in the city. Okay. So my rating for this is, drum roll please. Okay. I'll give it like a 7.8. Yeah. So she good, but she not that good, you know.
She's not up there.
All right. What does Margaret say? What is Margaret's rating?
Man, okay. Could have been a lot worse than it was, you know.
Oh my God. This bitch, you'll learn to know that she looks on the brighter side of things all the time. No matter what happens, man.
Okay. I'm gonna be generous. I'll give it a 4.
All right. And there you have it, folks.
There we
Meet
go.
us next time for another challenge or whatever.
Something.
I got that from Bretman Rock or whatever.
Or whatever.
I love Bretman Rock, by the way. Just saying. Okay, anyways, time to wrap this shit up.
I love the rice on the table.
Girl, stop calling me out.
I wonder if you can see it.
I wonder if they can see the garbage behind you.
Oh.
You know what? It is what it
I was
is.
just gonna say that. Fuck off.
And we will see you next time on No Name. We don't have a name yet.
On
but
whatever this is.
yeah. We usually eat No Name because we're from the res. So it all works out. Okay.
No name, lowercase.
We think we're so funny.
We are. Guess we gonna find out.
Okay. And see.